Hello, today I'll explain how to set up barcode label printer in Vatrix POS and ERP system. So for this, I'm installing barcode label printer and open the label folder and install the driver. Okay, you can install it. Click on install printer drivers. Now select the mode. Okay, so after completion of installation, you can click on computer start button here. Now go to settings page and click on printer tab. Okay, so here select the printer and go to manage or printing preferences. Okay, so here you can set the barcode label size as per physical barcode label size. So I'll change the label size width as 38 mm for 3.8 centimeter and height as 25 mm for 2.5 centimeter. Okay, now click on OK here and now go to stock tab and select the proper printing mode here. Either you can select direct thermal or thermal transfer as per the physical printer label setup. Now after selecting the printer, you can click on apply here, then click on OK. So now open Vatrix POS or ERP application and go to item master and barcode printing option. Now set the barcode label size height as 2.5 centimeter and label width as 3.8 centimeter. Okay, as per the label size. Now you can select the barcode printer from the barcode printer drop down list. And you can also make the changes here in the page as per your requirement. And click on save button here. So now you are ready to print the barcode. Now close the setting. Now again go to item master and select the item. Okay. Now you can print the barcode here. Click on print barcode. You can select the copy barcode to be printed and click on print option here so that the barcode will be printed in Vatrix POS or ERP system. Thank you.